Brian Gambardella here with MarineMax Huntington. Today we're going to look at a Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard. This 19 SPX outboard is powered by a 150 Mercury motor. This boat will get around 40 miles an hour. This boat has the entertainment bundle and as well as the whole cockpit sea deck. This is your dune color package. So you got your nice large sun pad here and two seats, one at the helm, one at the passenger side. This boat does have the water sports tower with the fold-in bimini, as well as a 5,000-pound tandem axle trailer. So here at the bow of the 19 SPX, you got nice two forward-facing loungers. You got speakers and grab rails on both sides. And as always, to help with the center of gravity, your cup holders are down low so those won't spill. Side, you got a nice convertible backrest, so if you wish to face aft or face forward. You got dry storage in here, which is nice. Again, another grab rail, always important. Storage on this boat is actually pretty good. So if I open up this center hatch here, put all your life vests, things like that, maybe even a wakeboard in here if you'd like. At your helm, you've got a Simrad screen, so you have your chart, your depth finder, navigation. You got audio control right here, your Fusion stereo, and all of your important items such as your anchor lights, your bilge pump on your toggle switches to the right. The captain does have a cup holder down low as well as USB cell phone charging right there. So the aft storage of this boat, because it is an outboard, you got large storage in here, where in other cases there would be an engine. This boat does have two batteries with a battery switch. And that concludes our video of this Sea Ray 19 SPX outboard. If you'd like to know more about this boat or are interested, contact us here at MarineMax Huntington, 631-424-2710.